prep only the next session in your campaign. This made running campaigns actually doable. I couldn't run a proper campaign until this. Don't design the whole world. You don't even know where this session's going to end. You don't even know where the middle's going to be. The players will not even take the next cave entrance that you put right in front of them. They're not even going to go in there. They're going to surprise you around every corner. Even more so, where's the campaign going to go? Also, the effort of designing an entire world. You're going to design these cultures, these locations, these NPCs, and they're going to avoid them, or they're not going to be important. Something else is going to be suddenly crop up, and you have to design that anyways on the fly. This made it so much better for me to prep just your next session. By all means, if the campaign's starting, give them the world map with no locations apart from the city where they start and a few of the NPCs. They're meeting the king today and 3 NPCs from the Thieves Guild. Maybe in the city now we have Palace and Thieves Guild. World map has just the city. Every session we're going to fill in and paint in all the remaining parts. You say you like designing everything up front. That is fine. Don't let me take that from you. But it's definitely more effort, and it makes it harder for you. If you enjoy that, fine. If you do, however, trip up, like most of us do, where you end up prepping a lot of things that they don't use and you wish they had, and then they go down other avenues and you have to make up stuff on the fly anyways, or for the next session you have to go do a lot of prep that you thought you did, but, you know, it went in a different direction. The amount of stress that it puts on you to have a million potential things in your brain of where it might go and what I've designed and what I have this desire to pull into the world and into the game. That's even a lot of cognitive overload. It's a lot of stress on you. Whereas if you think very myopically, this session, what's the little plot? Where does it start? What little areas can I fill in the blanks? Now, a few sessions in, I'm starting to get a feel for my own world. Even my world's not going to, I can't design it up front because the players are going to help me reveal like some aspects of my world that I didn't think. That makes me more open to the player's vision as well. I think it's a shared vision. I'm fundamentally going to say what's going to happen in this world. I'm the referee, but I don't think it's as healthy when it's a GM saying I own the world and it's my vision and you all have to just adapt to that. If your players absolutely want that, want to be railroaded, fine as well. No problem with that. Most players, though, if they get a taste for, hang on, we're starting to discover more factions in this city and seeing how the balance of power shifts, and you're like, oh, I didn't think the Bakers Guild was going to be like all corrupt and have their tendrils in every political pie. Makes this incredible new city campaign that you didn't even think would happen with the Bakers Guild, whatever. And when it reveals itself at the table like that, and you just plan one session at a time and extrapolate from what's already happened, you'll get a more organic world and less static than your grand vision that you've planned ahead for. And it's less prep. You just remember what happened last time. You're like, oh, where are they going to go now? What are them bakers up to? So, hope you can use that. Don't stress too far ahead. Just one little step at a time. Take it a session at a time and really take the player's input and decisions into consideration there. Thank you, friends. See you in the next one.